Yo, it's Al and welcome to another episode of Al's Fits and Kicks. Today I have had this stuff, PANDACHA hood and the two tees arrive. So I thought, let's take this Salomon XT-6 and use the Rit synthetic dye to get this pink and see if we can get a matching pair or as close to for the hood. So let's go and let's get it all prepped. Now that I have all of this prepped, I will just give it a quick stir. Get it going around. Once that's nice and good, as you can see, I have taken acetone to the XT-6's to give them a clean up to take all that original paint off. Now, before we submerge those, the important part, to put the Rit synthetic dye in. Now, I'm gonna grab my gloves, we'll get these on, and let's get those Salomons in. Now, the time to drop them in. So, I've got my gloves on, I'm just gonna drop them straight inside. I'm gonna use my little tongs to make sure that I keep them in the water, give them a move around as well as the liquid move around, and I'll leave these now. As you can see, we have had a big problem. As I've gone to take the Salomons out, I thought they were rinsed, but obviously not. So now we're gonna have to take off this hood and see what we can do to salvage to actually match the hood as well. So yeah. So while we're waiting for those to dry, I've took the fuchsia Rit Dye and then loaded it all up ready, because what I'm going to do to get rid of the mistakes is plop this straight in there, and we're just going to fully submerge it straight off the bat, dye the hood to hopefully get the higher greens of those darker pinks which are in the shoe to match the hoodie, and then hopefully you won't notice those drips and mistakes from when the dye came off the sneakers onto the hood. So as you can see, the color has gone more to a darker purple. We'll leave that for 2 or 3 minutes now, and then we'll see how it goes. So now everything's dry, let's check it out and see how it turned out. Starting with the Salomon XT-6's. So as you can see, the pink has latched onto this kick, absolutely amazing. There is a little bit of bleed and leak just on certain parts of the shoe, but nothing major. Just to add that little bit of extra details, I've used the Stuff nail stickers just to add some little pops and little hits for those Stuff logos throughout the shoe. So I think the bad issue, we'll call it, that happened with the hood may have worked out as a blessing in disguise, because as you can see, the tongues have taken that real bright pink hit. But overall, I'm more than happy with these. I think they look amazing. They've got all the different tones of pink, which I think ties into this PANDACHA collaboration really well, as you can see from the tee. So yeah, that was the XT-6's. Let's check out how this hood turned out. So obviously I made the mistake with the hood spilling ink over what was originally this color hood, but after the dye and after the drying, originally it was a darker purple. With the dye, as it's literally dried out, you can see it's got that Barbie kind of pink with the fuchsia, and compared to the original color, it is a major change. But as I open up the front, you can see there's no stains, no marks, no remnants of those mistakes. So I'm more than happy with this, and it's looking good. So let's check out how the fit looks together. So that's all the dye and the fits to go with. I'm glad that I got to salvage the hood. I'm more than impressed with how these turned out. Comment what you'd like to see me dye next. And this has been another episode of Els Fits and Kicks. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and a big shout out to everyone at Stuff. Peace!